Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade chocolate syrup. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, water, and a touch of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk. Precision in measuring is key for that perfect balance of sweetness and rich chocolate flavor. This simple process yields a fantastic result. Now, let's get cooking. In your saucepan, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and water. Place it over medium heat. Whisk constantly to ensure the sugar fully dissolves and to prevent any lumps, creating a smooth base. Once it reaches a gentle boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for just 1 minute. This step thickens the syrup beautifully. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And speaking of making things easy, imagine a clean kitchen floor without lifting a finger. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, it's time to add that wonderful vanilla extract, stirring it in thoroughly for an extra layer of flavor. Let the syrup cool completely. This is crucial for it to thicken properly. Once cool, pour your delicious creation into a clean, heat-proof jar. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.